Salve, and this is, you can see the pizza's about to come out of the stove. Yeah, let's see. I said if I did it right, it'll come right off, and there you go. Dave's got a little bit of the chunky things, but you can see, even with 2 hours sitting, just sitting here, it's still pretty good. I used Eden's organic crushed tomato sauce, 14 ounce, heirloom variety. This is organic, thin and crispy, whole wheat pizza crust from 365. You can see the nutrition. So yeah, you can see Dave's, he likes the chalk. So yeah, even with everything going wrong, see the dog likes these, how I do the cheese. So yeah, this is pretty decent. It's got 300 milligrams potassium, 2.8 milligrams iron, the fiber is 8 grams, the calcium is 30 milligrams. So it's got a decent amount of protein too. The whole pie is 13 grams, so most protein comes from the cheese and the other stuff. But as you can see, it looks like it came out pretty good. The cheese is pretty nice. I cooked this at 420 for 18 minutes. So last time I did 425 at 18 minutes. So you could try a higher or lower temperature, a longer or less time, depending on your taste and stove. This was convection baked. Anyways, this is going to be good to eat. Thanks, and take care. Organic vegetarian recipe pizza, organic pizza.